need to get from here to there, you need the right tool for the right job. I recently broke my foot and found one of the most difficult parts of only having one leg to put your weight on is trying to turn or pivot. For me, to keep one leg non-weight bearing puts a lot of strain on my other knee and foot and requires a dangerous amount of hopping or heel-to-toe scooting. And that is from already being at the edge of the mattress to get to the bedside commode. So when I saw this idea, I had to try it out. This is the Vive Pivot Disc, a mobility patient care device to help people with transferring and changing directions. Maybe you've had a hip replacement or are older, disabled, or recuperating from an injury, or even a broken foot. Whether you have one leg or two, this Lazy Susan for adults can be a real game changer. It's also rated for up to 350 pounds and has a non-slip 16-inch diameter. Now, the reason these things are large is because basically transferring is always a two-person deal. Because this spins freely, your helper has to keep part of their foot on the disc with you to control the speed of how fast you get to there. As in all things, communication is key. Your helper can just keep it still with their foot until you say you're ready, and then they just release a little pressure and let it turn, and it turns your feet in the process. So again, it's like a Lazy Susan for adults, and in fact, when you don't need it anymore, it could double as a handy centerpiece for your table, maybe with a piece of lace on it and a nice display of dried flowers with condiments and spices. And also know your children or grandkids will think it's the best toy ever. You can use it on any hard surface floor, such as wood floors, tile, and short carpet, but it's not stable on carpet that is higher than a low pile. So here's an easy hack. I suggest you buy yourself a piece of 1/2 to 3/4 plywood and either cut it yourself or buy it pre-cut into a square about 3 by 3 foot or larger. Place this under the disc as a firm surface. Just be careful that no one trips on the plywood edge when walking by, or when they're coming in droves to gasp in amazement as at your creation. The manufacturer of this disc is Vive Health. It's made in China and distributed from Florida. The construction's good, and so is its design. I've used it a lot, and it's a good tool. It does what I need it to do, and without blowing out my knee. So I'm happy. It's a smart choice. If you like country life and enjoy the do-it-yourself skills of home improvement and construction, then filling that home with the things you love and photobombing cats, I think we might already be best friends. So please subscribe and like. Keep strong, keep faithful, and keep sharing the love. Bye.